Hey guys, let's craft together part 2 of Georgia Peach. So after we got all of those pipe cleaners added to our wreath form, I am going to grab my 21-inch poly jute mesh and start attaching that right into this wreath form. So I start off where that long pipe cleaner is, lay that down and give it a few twists, and I'm doing 10-inch booths. So what you're going to do is you are going to slide your hand down and measure out 10 inches and just put that right into those pipe cleaners. And I do this in a zigzag pattern. So that means I go from inner ring to outer ring all the way around, and I'm going to go around 2 times. And I do this just to make sure I'm getting some really good coverage and covering up that wire form as I go. So we're going to go around 2 times, and this is 21-inch poly jute. And then I just go around and I fluff out my poofs, making sure that there is no wire exposed. Thanks for crafting with me, and stay tuned for part 3 on how to make this wreath.